At this time when the market is bleeding and most of the traders don't even know what to buy and what to sell, I will share an awesome coin which will be bigger than Dogecoin and even huge than SafeMoon. This coin will give us up to 1000x profit. It's a decentralized plan and already listed on PancakeSwap exchange. And an inside story is that some big teams are behind this plan. So be ready guys for the best pick on BSC. And one thing which is entirely important, that as per my own idea, this coin will be huge and also will change your entire portfolio. Stay tuned.
Feel uninvited.
BGoat is a community-focused decentralized cryptocurrency with instant rewards for the holders. In this video, I will also share with you that how you can purchase the token. Here you can see the contract address and also you will get the contract address in the description of this video. But before that, some major news about BGoat. Basically, on every transaction of BGoat, some amount of the token redistributes to the holders and adds the liquidity to PancakeSwap exchange. That basically increases the price of this token. Secondly, the BGoat is redesigning the way decentralized finance is structured. BGoat is focused on reshaping and evolving how DeFi works completely while delivering the most robust ecosystem ever designed for the DeFi's much needed advancements. Now some major news about the BGoat. For example, before that, I will share one more thing with you. For example, if you are going to buy any type of altcoin from the entire market, you just have to hold that cryptocurrency for a very long time. For example, for 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, or even for 1 year. But this coin BGoat is going to pay you on every transaction. For example, after this video, if you are going to buy this token only and only with 1 BNB, after 3 months or 4 months, you will get extra tokens. On every transaction, you will get extra BGoat tokens. It means that after 3 months, when you are going to sell your BGoat tokens, at that time, at least for example, if you are going to buy it with 1 BNB, at that time, minimum coins you have of about more than 4 or 5 BNB. That is a big thing about this token. Now, some main features. The first one is community power. BGoat is fully decentralized and owned by its fund. Vibrant community. The team is going to welcome and embrace the diverse perspectives to build the BGoat into the best community in crypto. Secondly, instant rewards. As I told you that on every transaction of the BGoat redistributes the tokens to the holders and adds the liquidity to PancakeSwap. It means that on every transaction, some amount of that transaction will be sent directly towards the PancakeSwap liquidity. So it means that definitely the price will increase in near future. Now, the next thing, secure and safe. BGoat is a fair launch token instead of a pre-sale where the insiders are favored at a low price. The token was listed immediately on the PancakeSwap for the community to participate. Ownership has been renounced and liquidity is locked. Now, one thing, basically, as I said in the starting, that some big teams are behind it. So here you can see I'm gonna adopt a goat and name it B. So what that it means, basically it was hyped by the Binance CEO, and very soon you will be able to see this token on number of big exchanges. Now, how you can purchase this token, that is a big question. Simply you have to copy the address, then you have to come directly towards the PancakeSwap exchange. For example, I'm not going to say 1 BNB, only and only if you are going to buy it with 0.1 BNB, you will get huge amount of BGoat tokens. Number of big companies are behind this token, and as per my own idea, this coin will easily reach up to 0.01 or 0.009. What do you think about the price idea of this token? Do let me know in the comment section. Here you can see the Twitter page. You must have to follow them because every day the team is announcing new type of giveaways on their own Twitter page. Secondly, they are also sharing number of new things about their project. So as per my own idea, this coin will be huge. What do you think? Do let me know. Thanks a lot.